Morning TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and let's have a look at the job for today then. Okay, so you can see here, look, where the paint's starting to come off. What tends to happen is the finish tends to diminish over the years, and this is about 10 years old. So basically there's hardly any finish left. So what we need to do is we need to replicate this top coat. So you can see this colour here. What we tend to do is we'll take a colour match from here, look, where it's not been used. So obviously when this is all sprayed on there, then it comes out brand new basically. And before we do that, obviously we do the usual prepping to make sure we get all the old oils off and everything. But if you go over here, look, it's just little tiny bits. It's just leaving it looking a bit tarnished at the moment. But when we finish this, again, if you follow us regular, you'll see that, you know, this will be pretty much like a new sofa when it's finished. Okay, so we'll pan it a bit further out there for you as well, so you can see. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. If you want to book us, 07904 640 389, and bye for now. Hi folks, welcome back. It's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we've finished this sofa now, and I think you'll agree it looks absolutely superb. So where all these marks were that you saw before, look, completely diminished. There is nothing on there now, and the finish is really hard wearing. So a lot of people say, you know, is it temporary? No, it's not. If you put a good finish on these and you regularly, you know, put cream on their conditioner, then, you know, they're going to last. It's as simple as that, because we only do what they do from the tanneries. So basically, you know, everything's sanded down, everything's prepped properly, and the colours are very adherent. Okay, so if you look at all there, look, you can see now. Again, if you follow me regular, folks, you can see that, you know, we'd stick these in the showroom tomorrow, and absolutely superb. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk, and if you want to book us, 07904 640 389, and bye for now, folks.